Menteri Badai Kemi Ikatanat Social Welfare Jong Sarkar Jela uba polling do ubadai ru nongai ketien ke Sarkar MD itu ula pentip bahdu saus pa anyo penyo Tylli ki Mukotduma ladapan Rejistar na Jingmudui ki Kynthei ki Basha ban Beiñ Kilong yeng lengbau number helpline iwei not khandai iwei lani iwei private haba pentip ikani sikilat pathai kubor hakanok phai ski jong arpu pratre unai wing arajar pulai uba polling do ula ong baka jing simpenon kam ban mudui lengba ki helpline number kala long kebayarap ha Ula ong ru baka jingyo pediang Jingmudui kalong hadu lai pun hajar lai spa nro puar Tylli AA bat la Rejistar Mukotduma sau spa nyo punyo Tylli bat nakine shi spa san pupra Tylli kide ki badang ya cekmat ha ka jing toket.
The helpline calls that we have, we received 36,362 calls as on date, for which 477 cases have been registered, 158 cases are active, and 304 cases are closed. So the response has been not really bad, considering that in a state where generally we tend to hide things and don't go beyond the four walls of our house. But the fact that 36,000 plus calls were made in the course of the establishment since this online service was activated shows that the response has been in fact high. We have always taken the bars to be part of social welfare department, and in fact some of the calls were made with the active support of the departments.